Hi, my name is Martha, and today I'm going to be talking about social welfare policy. So, why is policy important? Policy is important because acquiring a knowledge base about programs will protect the rights of my client, which will result in me becoming an effective advocate for the rights of my client. So, what is advocacy? Advocacy is going to be the focal point of discussion while learning about effective social policies and clients. Policy affects my practice with clients. The importance of policy is able to understand a variety of social welfare programs and entitlement programs in order to protect my client rights and in order to be an effective advocate. So if I were to list and describe briefly the different types of social welfare programs, there's old age, survivors, and disability insurance, which provides cash benefits to protect against the loss of earnings under certain circumstances. Medicare covers funding for elders. Medicaid, which provides health assistance for low-income families and individuals. However, funding is provided to all poor children, but not all poor adults. So what are entitlement programs? Well, entitlement programs are a legal right of benefit and service, and the right is enforceable by a court law. So why are they important? Well, it's important for social workers to know, saying as though it is the most important part of social legislation in the United States. It is also a major social program in the United States, which makes it the core of the United States social policies. Many entitlement programs stem from the Social Security Act of 1935 and other amendments. So how are they funded? Funding for benefit programs are automatic and has no need for appropriation and or authorization. And as mentioned before, entitlement programs are important because they are a major important part of social legislation in the United States, which makes them the core of the United States social policy. And there are a total of 5 entitlement programs, as we mentioned before: old age, survivors and disability insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, and then there's foster care, which is funded for out-of-home placement of abused or neglected children, and TANF, which is temporary assistance for needy families, which is no longer an entitlement program due to lack of appropriate funding. The 2 other entitlement programs are Food Stamp Program, which is designed to guarantee a minimal income for food for the poor, and Earned Income Tax Credit, which is the other one, is a refundable tax credit for low-income families. So what's missing from these entitlement programs? These entitlement programs are missing nationally health insurance programs, maternity and child care allowances, and sick benefits. And there are still questions by scholars and advocates that are still being debated, such as, was social welfare a good idea? What impact has welfare reform had on children and families? And should other types of programs such as Social Security, Medicaid, or Medicare be reformed? Well, I tried to provide a response to these questions that's been debated, and in my opinion, the idea of social welfare is a good idea. It seeks to enhance the quality of life for all. Anyone socially active about the concerns of their loved ones who meet criteria for certain social welfare programs sees the everyday benefits of an enhanced quality of life in their loved one's life from these programs. So does everyone else. Social welfare reform has had a positive impact on children and families, and at this point, I can't think of anything that should be reformed of the programs mentioned above, such as Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Thank you, and so long.